Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and we're going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, let's take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the monthly DXY, I still think this is very likely that this right here is the end of a wave C, and that we are actually now in a downtrend, probably eventually going to end up looking something like this. I think eventually it's just going to keep on going and taking out all these lows, because that's what happens when you have the end of an ABC correction. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, and I like to switch back to the US dollar index because I trust that one a lot more. So on the US dollar index, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looks to me like a wave 1. This move up right here went right to the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Nice big impulsive move down. I think we have the end of a wave 2, and I believe that we're already in a wave 3, which is just going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So that tells me that on the shorter time frames, I still should primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is either a motive wave correction or it's an A, B, C, D, E. Either way, I do believe that is the end of a correction right there. You will notice that this is all lower lows, lower highs the whole way down. This move up was very strong, but it did not take out any swings, telling me that this move down has never been proven to be over. And as you can see, it's still going down. I think it's going to take out this low, and I think it's just going to keep on going. That doesn't mean there's not going to be some pullbacks along the way, but I think that it will take out both of these lows and continue the downtrend. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I do believe this move up was a correction. It definitely made a lower high, lower high. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But just because we have that 5-wave shape definitely does not mean that it's over. It is at the 78% Fibonacci extension. But I think if anything, it may just make another pullback, and it's probably just going to keep on making them lower lows, lower highs, telling me that I'm definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of any ABC pullback that I may see, especially on the shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. But just because you see 5 waves definitely does not mean that the trend is over. Our last swing is really actually, I would call the last swing way up here, but there's definitely a swing right there also. So price would have to take out both of these swings to prove that this whole move down is over. I think what's more likely to happen is that it will probably end up going up, but I think it'll just be another correction, and I believe it'll just keep on making them lower lows and lower highs. All the higher time frames are telling me the trend is down. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback that I may see. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.